Ever wonder what inspired Shenseea's hit, Sidekick? Here's the story behind the song that's got everyone talking.
I wrote that song on the plane coming back from that trip. I dated him for he was trying to get me for 2 years. And then I don't think we went out. And I always say that, I don't blame alcohol on anything. You can't say, oh, it's the alcohol, whatever. So I used to be very stern on that. And one time we went out when it was Christmas Eve or something, and I drank some Hennessy. And mind you, I cannot drink. I'm not a drinker. So I drank some Hennessy and stuff. And then I started feeling oozy, started moving up on me. I'm there chilling. We ended up, getting into some situation. Then after that, we started talking much because we were friends originally. We were just cool. I just never looked at him like that.
But then the Hennessy got you looking a little bit.
I think he took advantage too, now that I think about it. But I'm not going to say it's, crazy, nothing like that. Because I say we are really cool. So I did trust him. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, we ended up in that situation. And then we started talking. I'm like, wait, do you have a girlfriend or some shit?